Kimba. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to access more videos. I'm here by presenting a topic in mathematics under variation, and this is the question that I have. Given that z or z varies as x and inverse as the square of 1, and that z is equal to 3 when x is equal to 8 and y is equal to 4. First question is find the value of k, the constant of variation. So now for us to find the value of k, which is the constant of variation, first of all, we need to come up with the formula connecting the variables z, x, and y. And we are going to get the formula from the statement. So the first step is to come up with the equation connecting the given variables. So given that z varies as, this is the symbol for varies as, x, and inversely as the square of y. When we say square of y, the square of y is y to the power 2. This power 2 simply means the square. So now when we say varies as x and inversely, meaning we need to divide it, we need to write the 1 on top, then we divide by the square of y. In this case, the square of y is y squared. So now in place of the equal symbol, we are going to put the equal sign and also introduce the constant of variation k. So where there is this symbol, we put the equal sign, introduce the constant of variation k. Then we say x times 1, this is x over y squared. So this is the equation connecting the variables z, x, and y. So having come up with the equation, now let's try to calculate the first question, which says find the value of k, the constant of variation. So we are going to use the variables, we are going to use the values given. So given that z varies as x and inverse as the square of y, and that z is equal to 3. So meaning where there is z or z, we are going to put a 3. K, open brackets. Where there is x, we put 8. Where there is y, we put 4. So now 4 has to be squared. 3 is equal to 8 times k is 8k. 4 squared is 4 times 4, which is 16. So now this is the same as over 1, we cross multiply. 8k times 1, this is 8k, which is equal to 3 times 16. So 8k is equal to 3 times 16, this is 48. You divide by 8, equally you divide by 8, so that we remain with k. 8 and 8 goes, so we remain with k is equal to 48 divided by 8. So k is equal to 8 into 48 is 6. So therefore the value of k is 6. Question 2. Find the value of z when x is equal to 18 and y is equal to 3. So again, to compute the value of z or z, we are going to use the same formula that we have created, which is this one. That's the same formula we are going to use. Z is equal to kx over y squared. Z, remember we are finding the value of z. Z is equal to k. We have already computed for the value of k. In this case, k is 6, so we put 6 where there is k. So 6 in brackets. What about x? We are going to use this value because we are finding the value of z, so we need to use these values. So the value of x is equal to 18. And the value of y is equal to 3. So where there is 1, you put a 3. 3 squared. So z is equal to 6 multiplied by 18. 6 multiplied by 18. This is 6 times 8, 48. You carry 4. 1 times 6, 6 plus 4, 10. This is 108. 108 divided by 3 squared is 3 times 3, which is equal to 9. So z is equal to 9 into 10 is 1, remainder 1. 9 into 18 is 2. So the value of z is equal to 12. Now let's quickly calculate the last question, which is find the values of y. So again, for us to find the values of y, we are going to use the same formula that we've created. Z is equal to, of course this is the last question, z is equal to kx divided by y squared. What is the value of z? Remember, we are on question C. What is the value of z? Z is equal to 5. So whether it is z or z, we put 5. K, the constant is 6. So we put 6 there. What about x? Remember, we are answering question 6. Question C, the value of x is equal to 30. So whether it is x, we put a 30. Now we are interested in finding the value of y. So this is y squared. So 5 is equal to 6 times 30, this is 6 times 3, 6 times 3 is 18, 6 times 3 is 18, then you add a 0, it becomes 180 over y squared. This is the same as over 1. We cross multiply. 5 times y squared, this is 5y squared, is equal to 120 times 1 is 180. So what we do for us to remain with y squared, we divide both sides of the equation by 5. Over 5, over 5. 5 and 5 goes, we remain with y squared is equal to 180 over 5. 180 over 5. 180 over 5. So you say y squared is equal to 180 over 5. Y squared is equal to 5 into 20 is 3. Made that 3. 5 into 30 is 6. So now we need to introduce the square root so that we can get rid of the square. So square root. Quite okay, a square and a square root will be eliminated remaining with y is equal to positive or negative the square root of 36. Why are they positive or negative? Because the root of a number, the square root of a number can either be positive or negative. So y is equal to positive or negative, the square root of 36 is 6. Because when you multiply 6 by itself, 6 times 6 will get 36. So y is equal to 6 or negative 6. So these are the values of y. Thank you very much.